In less than 60 seconds, you will learn what happens to your body when you exercise. When you've exercised, your body goes through a series of changes in response to the increased physical activity. One of the first things that happens when you start exercising is that your heart rate increases. This is because your muscles require more oxygen and nutrients to perform the work, and your heart needs to pump more blood to deliver those resources to the muscles. As you continue to exercise, your body temperature also increases. This is due to the energy being generated by the muscles, which produces heat as a byproduct. As a result, your body begins to sweat, which helps to cool you down. During exercise, your muscles also undergo a series of physiological changes. The fibers within the muscles contract and relax, which leads to the generation of force and movement. As you continue to exercise, your muscles may begin to fatigue, which can cause a feeling of burn or discomfort. Finally, when you finish exercising, your body goes through a period of recovery. Your heart rate and breathing gradually return to normal, and your muscles begin to repair and rebuild. This recovery period is critical for optimizing the benefits of exercise and preventing injury. Overall, the effects of exercise on the body are numerous and complex. By understanding how exercise affects your body, you can tailor your workouts to achieve your desired outcomes and maximize the benefits of physical activity. I have one more fun fact about exercising. Write B4C fact in the comments so I can spill the tea. Cop out. Don't forget to subscribe to get more helpful tips that may come in handy one day.